Hola estudiantes, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo están? So I'm recording this tutorial to show you where you're going to find the activities for the homework. So I'm going to show you not only where to find them, but how to submit them, okay? Bien, let's see. So this is basically the homework, okay? Complete the following activities. Under Gramática, on page 10, ejercicio 03, ejercicio 04, ejercicio 05. En la sección de pronunciación, on page 11, ejercicio 0.1, ejercicio 0.2, and then Sabor Latino on page 12 and 13. And besides that, we are going to study for the quiz. Okay? Bien. So, here is 03 for the first part, the Gramática on page 10. We have 03 and 04. But now let's move on to the textbook, okay? Let's go to the textbook. Bien, so let's open the textbook. Make sure that your class, my section is listed here, okay? So you're going to selecciona una clase, and then you select my course, okay? Make sure that is selected. Also, on this side, you're going to see this section that says ejercicios. You click there, and then you should go to page number 10. Page number 10, okay? On page number 10, you're going to do ejercicio 03. It's right here, okay? So, by clicking here, you're going to listen, ¿verdad? The recording. And by clicking here, you are going to be able to select, once you have heard the recording, select the letter in each group, that in this case, of course, that is not mentioned. Okay, so let's say that they mentioned F, G, and H, but they didn't mention J, then you select J. Then you do the other one. You decide which one was not mentioned, and then you select it, and so on. Once it is done, then you hit enviar. If you want to clean or erase all those selections, then you click limpiar. Okay. ¿Desea empezar de nuevo el ejercicio? Do you wish to start all over again? Yes. And then you see, done. So this is what you're going to do, okay, with exercise 03, and then 04, 04, which is the following one, and then 05 is on page 11. It's, what is it? Right here at the top. Okay, it's at the top. And then the next section is pronunciación. So, right here, ejercicio 0.2. The same process. You come here, you type the word como se escribe, then you write it down. Once you're done, you hit enviar. And finally, we complete Sabor Latino. You read everything. El español es la segunda lengua, blah, blah, blah. You go to page 12 and then page 13. Read everything. And once you are ready to answer the sentences, you come again here and then you select. Okay? Bien, estudiantes. So that will be our homework. 6 exercises. And they have to be done through Eleteca. ¿Sí? Bien. So that's it. Adiós. Hasta luego. Chao.